Friends, the Native Americans called Red Jasper the blood of Mother Earth. So if Red Jasper is the blood, my friends, this gorgeous high-quality Red Jasper specimen is the beating heart of Mother Earth. Seen quite a bit of Red Jasper in my day, ladies and gentlemen, but never a piece as high quality as this gorgeous miracle that stands before you now, friends, standing proudly at 8 inches tall and 12 pounds of endurance-enhancing, passion-promoting, healing glory. Yes, indeed, friends, Red Jasper, the stone of strength, endurance, perseverance, protecting you physically and spiritually, and so much more, friends. Turns your stress and anxiety, which plagues us in these crazy times we're living in, into energy that betters your life, aids you, guides you, doesn't get in your way. Whew. As you can tell, ladies and gentlemen, I am excited about this gorgeous beauty. Truly something I've never seen before. So let's take a closer look at the beating heart of Mother Earth that could be yours at CosmicCuts.com, a cut above the rest. Strength, vitality, endurance, invigorating energy, stability, and passion. You can't go wrong with high quality Red Jasper, ladies and gentlemen. Get a load of this deep, dark, rich, bold, blood red coloration. Unreal. Nothing like it. Everywhere she faces, every light you put her in, she's gonna shine like a red diamond. Absolutely gorgeous, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely love these bits of polychrome jasper I just see all over the place. Just a masterpiece after masterpiece in one. Unreal, ladies and gentlemen. Truly unreal. My heart is pounding being in the presence of such a masterpiece of Mother Nature. Good, sweet Lord. This polychrome jasper is something truly out of this world. Whew, unreal, friends. A piece truly fitting of her name, the beating heart of Mother Nature, could be yours, ladies and gentlemen. Could be yours at CosmicCuts.com.